Hey guys, today we are going on a roller coaster, and it says read description.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance?
Okay,
Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw
PewDiePie.
me cry?
Is them kitties?
Or would you save my
Is them
soul
kitties?
tonight?
I'm not gonna get copyrighted again for this music. Is them kitties? PewDiePie, is them kitties? Ah, kitties! What's in here? Let's change my shirt. I don't want a PewDiePie shirt on. Why do I have a PewDiePie shirt on? Whatever. PewDiePie? Why is there so much PewDiePie? Click, click. Yay! Woohoo! Normally these roller coasters don't work, so if this works, I'm gonna be very happy. This girl's trying to crash into me. Hey, it's actually working. We're on a PewDiePie thing. My phone's dying. I can finish this roller coaster, I believe, without crashing. The other girl crashed because she didn't wait her turn. There she is, still not waiting her turn. Yahoo! Come on. These little fist bump thingies are coming out of the back of my cart. Seriously, girl? Seriously? You need to wait your turn. And eating cheeseburgers ain't safe. These people are mean. They need to wait their turn. Do I literally got a video camera right now? Awesome. Yum yum. Girl, you need to wait your turn. This is all because of that girl. Bruh. This is all because of that girl. I hate her. She's rude. Okay, let's get some footage of PewDiePie. PewDiePie. Poopy Pie. Can I have some footage of these kittens? I'm not a fan of you, I just want a picture of these kitties. Okay. Okay, I might get a picture of with you too. And me with the camera. Okay, ready? Yay! I got a picture with PewDiePie. Okay, next. I'm definitely getting a picture with the hacker. Dylan the hacker. Okay, Dylan. Wanna take a selfie? Dun, 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 dun. Can we take a selfie? Will you let me take a selfie with you? I don't care if you won't. I'm taking a selfie with you. Oh yeah. Hey. And ching. This place is incredibly pukey, as Poopy and Pukey Pie said so. And just for I'm not a fan of PewDiePie.